Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to our viewers on OneSpotMedia.com.
We begin with a developing story. The police have arrested a man wanted for killing his wife in St. Elizabeth this morning.
The man was held as he tried to board a flight to the United States this afternoon.
It came after he shot his wife dead earlier in the morning.
The information is that they have been married for over 2 years, but he spent most of his time in the U.S. He sneaked in the country on Monday, and this morning he went to the house, broke in the vehicle that the wife used as a chartered service to transport children to school, to and from school. And when she drove out, he shot her and was making an effort to leave the country just about now when he was apprehended at the Norman Manley International Airport.
To how it all unfolded now, as TVJ's Krista Campbell reports, the woman was preparing for work when she was killed.
While many lovers were busy executing their Valentine's Day plans on Thursday, it appears one man was making cold-hearted plans of his own. The execution would come the day after, about 6:45 Friday morning in Southfield, St. Elizabeth. Residents say 49-year-old Maureen Williams Topping was surprised by her estranged husband as she was about to begin her daily routine of transporting children to school in Santa Cruz.
They here so then split up because he come here from America, come here and come out, and she call her from the phone and she don't come out of the house and come to him. So I don't know what is what after.
Residents say they heard gunshots coming from the minibus Mrs. Williams Topping used to transport students. One of those students was inside at the time. The people believe Mr. Topping had been hiding inside the bus. A resident who did not want to be identified explained his theory.
When he found out, like, he must say something to him or what have you, he give him the first shot, like he come over him from behind and give him the first shot on his side. And he find out, say, in a death and give him the head one and get rid of him.
He says he helped rush the injured woman to the Black River Hospital.
When time I go down, I said to them, say, she dead. And all that blood where she have, where get she head shot run up back once, she went show to me in her van. So now we got a Black River and take her out now. And the wait the people don't come and put her up on the stretcher and carrying. Everybody I say, like she not dead, but like she dead.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.